Top of the morning, everybody. What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Minister of Stating. It's Friday for sure. Today it's Friday, guys. We're gonna talk market again. Still that time, man. Still that time. So, guys, I don't know if you all can see, but wait, yeah. I don't know if you all can see, but Nasdaq respected. Remember we said Nasdaq yesterday. I gave you a direction that when it breaks this level, I said wait for it to break this level. You all remember. I said wait for it to break this level, and then when retest, then go down. And our first entry was supposed to be here. Let me delete this one now because it already worked, and this was our TP heat. I'll show you all something. If you can check, guys, now our first entry was here. Our first entry is our first entry was supposed to be here at this point. Our second entry was supposed to be here. You know what I mean? That's where third entry is. Break here, retest, fourth entry, and then until TP. So yeah, guys, as you can see that the markets are respecting our setups and all those things, So today is another day. We're gonna see what we can make from the market. We're gonna see what we can produce, right? So, guys, there is something called adjusting in the market. I don't know if you all have heard about it or what, but there is something called adjusting in the financial markets, right? I'm gonna show you all, guys, how it works. You see here we have a strong level here, and that is why I said this is gonna be our TP. It's because of I saw hormone. This level is strong. Look, touch here, then I started buying, right? When I started buying, we forget about this trend line a bit. Okay, this trend line I see breakout retest, and 90% rule is here, somewhere here. But look at this now. We're on a strong support, right? The market bought, and then the market came on top of this zone. The market came also on top of this zone. You see, and also I saw another trend line, breakout of a trend line, which will require us to have 90% rule also, So we just have to adjust, guys. If the market say now we're no longer selling, don't be stubborn. What you have to do is always make sure that zones that you're gonna be using to enter your entries, there are valid zones, strong zones, and nice zones, not zones that are just work and all that. You're going to make sure that zones that you're going to enter on are proper zones, not zones that are not proper. Because if they're not proper, they can make you blow your account. So now, guys, once the market is here, right, you see this zone. This zone now, it starts being strong when the market is buying. Guys, I don't know if you guys listen to me when I tell you, but yesterday I said this zone is gonna be strong only when we sell. You see, when we buy, it's not strong. This one is strong only when we buy. Look here. It came here, retest. We came here, break here, and we started retesting, right? So now we have a zone here. Here again. Even here we have a smaller zone that can give us entries, right? So we just have to scale down to smaller time frame to see if we can get an entry. even myself, if I can see an entry right now, I may as well enter this trade right now. If I'm able to see an entry, I will enter this trades, as in like right now, right? Me, I don't waste time, guys. As long as I see a proper zone, you see the market touch here, up, touch here, down, retested here, went up, touch here. So it reacts whenever it comes to this zone. It reacts. And also don't forget this zone here, you know, and then the market touch it. So if you wanna be safe now, if you're not a risky trader, wait for it to break this zone, the main zone. This is the main zone, right? Retest the main zone, then up first TP here, right? So I think that could be a proper one. But me, because of I've seen this zone, that we retested this zone, now it's strong. And also we have this zone, a mini zone, which will support the market to remain bullish. Because you need to interpret zones, understand how to interpret zones, right? So the best thing to do is you can wait for it to break this zone. I'm gonna let it anywhere. Okay, you can wait for it to break this zone, retest, then up, guys. You know, if you know how to interpret zones, you're gone, bro. You see how I interpreted the zone? I said break, retest, sell. Yesterday, I interpreted the zones well, bro. Let's go to M5 and see something. See on M5 what's going on, right? I think I can get an entry here, but I will see. I will see after uploading this video. But I feel like let's wait for it to break here, retest, then we go up, guys. I'm sure you all understand why I said we're gonna buy. I'm sure you all understand. Today, let's see gold. Let's see gold today. Oh, damn. Guys, you see gold. And yesterday I didn't tell you about gold, guys. I was gonna give you an entry, but it's okay. Break and retest. Down. You see, this is a selling pattern, bro. This is a selling pattern, right? And then the best way to sell it is when it comes, break the zone, retest the zone, sell, first TP here, right? If it continues breaking this zone, retest again, then we're selling. Simple. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, because most of you guys are always late. You come late to these videos and you find the market already moved. That's the problem. I want you guys to be early. If I upload now, you must be able to see it now. And even if you don't watch the whole video, you just to have an idea of what a certain pair can do. You know, just like that. This is a simple breakdown. So yeah, guys, we're just waiting for that, even on gold. So if it breaks there, because this is a zone, man. Let me delete this a bit. Please like and subscribe, guys. It's Friday. This is a zone, guys. The market can touch it and then buy. But me, I want it to break it, man. And not to say I want it. I will only sell it if it breaks, retest. I know my first TP can be there, you know. Because I believe it can break it based on what happened there. Because if you can check, right, remember trendline can be support and resistance, right? The breakout, retest, then now we have to sell. So 90% rule is here, but I will see, guys. But on Nasdaq everything is clean. Please like and subscribe. Have a lovely Friday. It's the last week of trading, last day of trading, Friday. God bless you all. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to pray. So yeah, guys, let's get it. Let's go. Let's all win.